ஹரே கிருஷ்ணா. திருப்பாவை பாசுரம் 25. ஒருத்தி மகனாய் பிறந்து ஓரிரவில் ஒருத்தி மகனாய் ஒளித்து வளர திருக்கிலானாகித்தான் தீங்கு நினைத்த கருத்தை பிழைப்பித்த கஞ்சன் வயற்றில் நெருப்பென்ன நின்ற நெடுமாலே உன்னை அருத்தி வந்தோம் பறைதருகியாகில் திருத்தக்க செல்வமும் சேவகமும் யாம் பாடி வருத்தமும் தீந்து மகிழ்ந்தேலோரம்பாபாய். Let us see the Pasuram in 25 in this verse. Andal tells about the birth and upbringing of Krishna and the prayers of the Gopikas to him. This Pasuram describes how Krishna was born to Devaki and raised by Yashoda without the world's knowledge to save from Kamsa, his maternal uncle. It also mentions that Krishna was taken from the prison and placed on Yashoda's bedside on the same night he was born. Here the Gopikas pray to Krishna to give them the opportunity to serve him and to bless them to attain moksha. In this Pasuram, it is said as Urutti, referring to both Devaki and Yashoda. Both their names are not mentioned. Tiruppavai is a hymn sung by a sleeping living entity to reach the Supreme Soul. It is said to explain the thought of God, service to the God, and to take the blessings of the God. Thank you. Please keep watching my channel and subscribe if you haven't done so. Give a like and a good comment and share all these good informations to others.